अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, मैं हूं समी आसिम खान। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, अभी मैं जा रहा हूं, मैं और मो जा रहे हैं एक VIP इवेंट पे इनवाइटेड बाय टोयोटा एंड वी रिसीव्ड एन ऑफिशियल वीडियो फ्रॉम देम और उस वीडियो पे मेरा नाम भी आया था। तो थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर द इनविटेशन। इट इज अ VIP इवेंट। राइट नाउ वी आर विद मो। यो
Yeah, man, VIP. What are we in? What is this? An Avalon?
This is Avalon, right? This is the 2019 Toyota Avalon. So they have picked us in the 2019 Avalon, which is brand new. और ये मतलब काफी अच्छा सरप्राइज है क्योंकि I asked them कि कौन सी गाड़ी आएगी पिक करने के लिए, तो they were like यार it's a surprise. So I'm like yeah, this is a 2019 model. It's amazing. Right now we are going to BVLGARI Hotel, BVLGARI Villa, जहाँ पे इनका 2.5 hours का एक्सपीरियंस है और बस वो देखने आपको सब दिखाएंगे। So thank you so much Toyota once again for this pleasure and this amazing event, VIP pass and everything. So yeah, मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा जरा इसकी छोटी सी वीडियो जो उन लोगों ने मुझे भेजी थी इंस्टाग्राम पे। तो here you go. So this is right where the BVLGARI area starts and this is actually amazing. We have the Dubai skyline right here, we have the ocean right there. Enjoy your day. House of Avalon. This is the villa at BVLGARI Hotel. Doing good, Sami. How are you? Sam. Hello, Sam. How are you?
Tantisa, hi.
Habibi, look who's here. 2.5 hours of ultimate luxury at the BVLGARI Hotel. We have pools. So this is specifically for the House of Avalon, huh?
Something to do with the car. We want to relate everything to the car. So you have three designers. One is a fashion designer who's going to talk to you about styling and design. Second is going to talk to you about metals and how it is to shape metals and how he's going to show you how he makes his jewelries. And the third is a leather experience. He's going to show you how he carves and cuts the leathers to make wallets and all the other things. So it's just to show you, give you an idea of how these luxury brands.
And a question, when am I getting the Avalon? Because man, I can't wait. So just as you guys heard, this entire villa is called the House of Avalon and this is specifically dedicated for the Avalon. We have some juices, we have some posters, we have some frames of the Avalon. This is the main table. Here we have the Avalon framing. यहाँ पर मतलब हर चीज, हर frame Avalon के ऊपर है. What's this?
We have this Alaskan king crab roll with chili sauce and pears.
Okay, so this is what?
Yeah, salmon tartare with pears and it's grilled. We have also this brisola pouch.
Brisola pouch. Bon appetit.
Bon appetito!
Oh, what does it give you? What does it give you? Goosebumps. Wow. Give it up. So you're the chef.
Yeah.
You're the man.
Yeah.
That's the man. Just in case you guys know.
Ciao.
Meaning of the front because it's very strong, you know, it's a lot of presence.
So this is the metal designer for Toyota Avalon and the chief designer of the metal designer. मतलब I know this is a tongue twister, मतलब he's a designer. Oh, so you have these on.
This one,
I just noticed.
This one is super difficult to.
It's heavy?
No, it's not heavy. It's difficult to if you move.
Which one's for me?
For you, let me see. I think this one, this is nice. I think.
I guess so.
It is a little bit short. This. I make another one with longer.
Sami, nice to meet you.
We heard we have leather here.
Yeah.
I can smell. I can smell. This is exclusive one-off.
Yeah, it's one of for this event because it's basically inspired by the Avalon. That's calf print with calf leather with ostrich, antique ostrich.
This is skull. This is alligator. This is a zoo. We have elephants. We have alligators.
Choose one of the bodies and then you can mix and match the straps.
So we'll be choosing one of them, and I suppose my one is possibly, I guess, this.
Like this one.
I like this one. So we are done with designer and the leather guy, right? Next one is having some salmon, some seashells for the third time because this is actually good. I'm a foodie. I'm a foodie, bro. You have no idea. I mean, ask Mo. Mo, tell them how much I eat.
For a skinny guy like that, bro, he's abnormal.
My mom's gonna watch this. She's gonna agree with you.
And we're gonna go eat more after this, so
Yeah.
Cool, yeah. I'm going to invite you to the designer lounge.
all
Follow
right,
me.
let's do it.
Great guys, so welcome to the House of Avalon and to my designer lounge. Just take a look and feel of the weight of the material. Nice for a t-shirt, you know, just a vest underneath or one of these.
This is the fashion designer and the person who is handling the design of the car, the interior design. Or ye, matlab he's a designer. He designs coats, blazers, stuff like that.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. I mean, the way you have put everything together, an aspect of the car.
Fantastic. Thanks for the team.
Oh yes. Thank you so much. So we just got another surprise right now. We are being served with the pure silk pocket cover. Thank you so much, Toyota, for pleasant surprises. It's amazing. So we are done with the 2.5-hour ultimate VIP tour. Thank you so much, man. It was, yeah, I can recall because everything was pleasant. Anyways, sunshine, hello. Outside, outside we have a bundle of Avalons which have still not been released on Toyota showrooms. Once they get the Toyota Avalon officially, officially on the showrooms, right? And I'll get one. I'll do the review because I can't wait. This is the Audi A8. It looks like it. It's better. So we are done with the House of Avalon. It was definitely an amazing experience. Matlab maza aa gaya. We got some gifts too. Right now we are driving out in the 2019 House of Avalon. 2019 Toyota Avalon, which is not yet released. Let's go.